feeling great.
It's a great day to be a great day.
Every deck is different. Some techniques work on some decks, some don't, depending on like what was used to fasten and just like the condition of the boards. These are popping right off. They're old deck screws. Of course, now that the camera's rolling. Get that one. Another one. Just use my hands for the rest. But they're in good condition. These aren't punky at all. These screws will grab right into these joists, so we'll be able to redeck no problem. Part of the reason why I think it's going pretty well for us is that the screws aren't so deep, and also if you look close, you can see the how they corrode over time. The screws will, I think they're just coated in something, and so they'll rust out, and then the ends of these are just like nothing, so they just pull out pretty easily.
The demo is going real smooth.
So we've encountered an interesting situation. Let's go take a look.
So what we've got going on is this piece of wood was screwed in, but it was also tarred in to the nook, and they also did this job on top of that, so it's kind of all one piece now.
So what are we gonna do to get that out of there?
I'm gonna consult my boss, and we're gonna figure this one out.
We don't know what we're gonna do yet, but I got a feeling it's not gonna be fun.
They might have had liquid nails on there or something. Maybe it wasn't tar, it was just discolored to this brown, and we thought it was tar, but
we've been able to pry a little bit, right?
Yes, we have been able to keep getting a little bit at a time.
I'm thinking that the worst case scenario is we take an oscillating tool and then just chisel out around it, but that would take forever. I really don't want to do that. Well, how'd it go? We didn't exactly document the whole process, but...
All right, well, this is the finished area. The only things we've lost were a little bit of mortar here. It was a lot of leverage between the big bar and the hammer. The hammer's the only thing that got in that width. It was like a move. I guess I would get in behind it, and then I would lever depending on how I had to get in behind the hammer.
Did you have to use any saws with the screws and stuff back there?
I definitely had to use the oscillator, my recommendation, to take out the screws.
Well, I'm super happy with the result. I think it looks great. Be able to slide a deck board right in there.
Awesome.
Nice. Working hard or hardly working? How's it going over here?
Going good. It's a little bit slow going. We realized that not all of this wood is rotting actually.
These joists are looking pretty decent. Happy to hear.
Yeah.
How are we feeling?
Doing good this morning. Thanks for asking.
Great day to be a great day. We gotta get some music on. What's on your list today? What's on your list today?
Cutting things.
Oh, pick stuff up and put it down.
Here we go. Started day 3. And we're making supports on these joists.
Yeah, we just made the seam, and we're observing what we need to do here, whether we were going to shave off the top or try and shave off here on this nub, because it was a high point, but we can't get the tool in there. So we're gonna place the beam and then shave the top off here to bring it to flush.
All right, watch us work. Angles with the circ saw.
Nice.
Getting them in, getting in these joists.
Look at this beautiful work. Putting in some blocking for the border that we're going to put around this deck here. We're going to put a border around the outside Some Trex Enhanced boards. So, and then we'll have a border that sits running that way. So we've set up some blocking for a border running down here, and then set up some more blocking for a border on that side. So we're gonna start decking. It's gonna look good. Day 4. Spent some time doing a little bit of decking yesterday. I'm just going to point out what we've done here and what the plan is. So over here there was some funky framing. We ended up taking that out, adjusted the framing. This area also had heaved. So to remedy that, we jacked up the deck a little bit, undid the brackets holding the headers up on the posts here on these, and pried them up, cut off what we needed to, and then sank the beams back down on the post heads. And now we're all leveled up. Added some blocking here for the border we're gonna have. It's gonna go around, and then you can see down there by Ryan the all the joists that we've added, because the spacing was too far for the Trex decking. How you feeling this morning?
Cold.
Cold?
Day 4 cold. Or
Day
is it 4? 5. 5.
I think we did pretty good today. How are we feeling today?
Feeling good, feeling productive.
Yep, what are you working on?
I am working on setting a, what are they, bonds or just supports for the ladder?
Yeah, some backing.
Yeah, backing for the lattice is going on.
Yep, we're going to be putting some composite lattice right in here. Some white. I think it'll look nice against that gray. And then there'll be fascia here. Yep, it's going to be 70 today. Check in the bush. Roses and thorns?
Yes, lots of thorns for my hands today.
Thorns? Oh, because of the bushes?
Yeah. Proud moment was actually getting that transformer back almost exactly where it was.
Yeah, those 2 screws with the eye hooks.
Yeah.
That is day 6. How you feeling, Bowen?
Great.
What are you working on?
I am the chalk line back on after it got all screwed up inside.
Hero of the day for me, for sure.
big thanks to Ryan, Bowen, and Dextros for another job well done.